What if I tell you that the world's biggest shipping company began with just one small ship and a couple in love back in 1970? Wait, before we begin, have you completed your marine KYC? If not, then watch this till the end. So, yes, this is the story of MSC Mediterranean Shipping Company. It all began with an Italian banker, Gianluigi Aponte, and his wife Raffaella decided to chase a dream bigger than themselves. They bought a second hand cargo ship and named her MV Patricia. No massive funding, no corporate backing, just a belief that the sea could carry their future. From humble beginnings on the Mediterranean, transporting goods from one port to another, MSC began to grow. One route, one ship, one voyage at a time. Today, over 50 years later, MSC is a brand among youth. MSC is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, with regional offices at Antwerp, Singapore, and Dubai. In India, its main office is located in Mumbai, coordinating vast operations across the subcontinent. Their fleet, it's the talk of the town. From massive container ships to cruise liners, bulk carriers to ferries, MSC sails them all. With over 800 vessels under its flag, it has become the largest container shipping company on earth. And behind these ships are people, over 150,000 seafarers and shore staff combined from countries across the globe. From Filipino to Indian, Ukrainian to Italian, it's a melting pot of marine culture, all united by MSC's vision. Still privately owned, still run by the Aponte family, still holding true to the dreams they started it all. Because from just one ship to ruling the seven seas, the MSC story proves one thing: you don't need to start big, you just need to start. Oh, are you still thinking of marine KYC? Relax, my friend. KYC simply means know your company. Before setting sail with any shipping giant, it's important to understand where they come from, what they stand for, and where they are headed. It's M&M's responsibility to complete your marine KYC. Follow Merchant Navy Mock, where future seafarer comes to get inspired, and stay tuned to the Marine KYC series.